Hello everyone. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be going over how to use the Evernote web clipper. And so, as you can see, I've logged back into my account once again. I am first going to use the Getting Started drop-down menu that's still here, just because number 3 is Save Web Articles. So what I'm going to first do is just click on this link. So after clicking on that, it has brought me to this window, which when you first start out will help you to get Web Clipper. So once you click on the Get Web Clipper for whatever web browser you have, it's going to automatically download the web clipper for you. And I've gone ahead and done that already. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back over to my notes for a second. So once you've downloaded the Evernote web clipper, you're going to see a little icon pop up in your web browser. For Safari, it's right here. And if I put my cursor over it, it says Clip to Evernote. So the next step for using the Evernote web clipper is to find a website that you want to clip and bring into your notes. And so I have gone ahead and did a Google search for BBC TV shows because I want to find a website that I can clip, that I can add for in it as like an addition to the library display ideas note that I created, because one of the ideas is BBC TV shows and book pairings. So I've gone ahead and found a website that works well with my note about library display ideas, specifically the one about BBC TV shows. And so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go up to this button and I'm going to click it. And as you can see, this menu has popped up over here. So when you use the Evernote web clipper, you have some options on how they will clip the website you're interested in. There's the article view, which will show it just like this. It's minimized, only the article part. You've got simplified article, which brings it to a new page and again only brings up the main content of that article. You've got full page, so that'll bring in everything that you see here. The next option is bookmark, which as you can see just gives you a bookmark of the website. So you have the URL, a little blurb, and then the last is screenshot, which allows you to take a screenshot of the website, but I'm not going to do that. That's not the option I want today. So I'm going to go to article because it just snippets the main text that I want and the list of shows. And then the next thing is I want to make sure it goes into the right notebook. So right now, this is set to be placed into my library program ideas, but I want it to go into my library display ideas. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on it down here and make sure it gets added to the right notebook, and then I'm going to go back up here and click save. And so it's now currently clipping my the website. Now as you can see, it has clipped, it is confirmed that this has been clipped to my library display ideas. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back over to my Evernote and we're going to go over to library display ideas, and as you can see, I now have 2 notes in here, and one of them is the website that I was just at, and it clipped exactly what I needed. So that's the end of this tutorial on how to use the Evernote web clipper. Hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you again. And if you have any further questions, you can refer to my web tutorial on Evernote.